Hola Malta!
Hola!
Welcome here in Portugal at Arte e Dança today. A beautiful studio, as you can see, with beautiful lights. I'm here with...
Rita Andrade.
Yes, my name is Daniel, as you know. And today you're going to learn the beautiful Setenta. And we're going to show you also some variations, 3 variations, and also many mistakes our students are doing. And we don't want you to do that, you know, so watch until the end. I'm gonna change. So we are connected with left to the right, and we do a right turn for the follower. We do 1, 2, and 3. On 3 we are connected. This hands rise up, and this goes down, and the follower does a right turn, like this. We continue and we do a back step, okay? A back step, 1. This is our 1, okay? 1, 2, and 3. And the Enxufla, as you probably know, is the only move where we both actively change the sides. Usually, the leader is always in the middle waiting that the follower cross, okay? Let's do it again from top. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so leaders, you have to be careful about this arm, because since we're going to do a hammerlock and it's a kind of a dangerous move for our shoulder, you need to be really precise what you do. So you need to do 1, 2, 3. This hand has to go down and has to be near our body. Now 5, you see, it's near my body, and now it enters safely. 6, 7, yeah?
If you go down and she moves, it goes naturally. So you don't need to turn the hand.
Yeah.
The wrist of
and don't use your thumb.
Yeah, that's for sure. Let's repeat this and make sure that you catch the mistakes. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. E 1, 2, 3. That was Portuguese. I hope that was okay. I need to practice my Portuguese.
He's getting
but
there.
She's talking too good English. So, mistake number 2, guys, especially now for the leaders, we do this turn. And now, what I like to do, because the Cubans are more rotating than us, okay? And what happens if we are stay on a spot, I'm staying in front, but we don't want to stay in front. What happened? Why? Because now the second mistake is when we do the cumbia, most of the guys are doing this. Yeah? So leaders, take care that you don't do your hips back. So what we want to do instead of that, while she is turning, I'm gonna do that from here. So when Rita is turning, you see me now going a little bit to the left. So, and I'm here connected with Rita. You see? Oh, you don't see. So here I'm on the line. All right? So that makes it so much easier now to go into our back step, which is 1. You see? And I extend only my arm just like that. So this is the end. That's it. So I don't want to go until extending my arm and then go back. So we are here on the same line. All right? So when I do my Enxufla now, which is 1, 2, and 3. We are here on the line again. All right? One more. From the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. E 1, 2, e 3. Muito bom.
He's getting there.
Yeah. Okay? This was good. A good tip for the leader.
Yeah, just be careful with another thing. Like also, as Daniel said, this is also much more comfortable for us as followers, because if he's in the same line as me, I will be like this. I will be like pushing my arm here.
Exactly.
So I'm much more comfortable if I'm in this side, yeah? Also, when we do the Enxufla now, again, leaders, be careful that you need to go with your arm down and near our body so that my shoulder is not hurt. So we do 1, 2, you see here, 3. Yeah, instead of 1, 2, 3, and then my shoulder is in this position.
Not cool, not cool.
Not cool.
When you do the Enxufla, don't go in this direction. Do it on spot on the back. Don't do it like this. because then we lose a lot of time here. Yeah, I didn't mention that before, right?
No.
So let's move on, or you have another tip for us?
Yeah, let's go.
So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So we are until here. So from here we go 5 back, 5 with our right, 2 with our left, right? Yeah, see. So 5, 6, and 7. All right, here guys, wait. So from here, leaders, you see her face? Exactly. We don't want to kiss her necessarily, but we go in this direction. So we go through our window, right? Check here. And then I release my left arm here and I turn this, okay? Let's do it from here, 5 from here. So it's 5 through my window, I release and suck. Let's do it from here to there. And 5, 6, 7. Now it's really important that she's connected with my back.
Yes.
I turn and I catch the hand again. Okay, so we are here, okay, already.
Followers, if he leaves the hand here near in the back, I need to maintain the contact.
Let's try.
So that the leader always knows where my hand is.
Yeah.
Left here and then catches. I maintain the contact. I do a little massage.
Just a little. So from here again.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Release that hand. She touched me. Massage.
Contact.
E Rita e Yeah. So we are here on 1, and then we finish this move. So it's 1, 2, 3 e 5. Dile que não. E 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I mean, like, dile que não. Mas em português seria dile que não. Não,
Diz que não.
diz que não.
Diz que não. He's trying.
Yes, I need to. Precisa. Senão só falta prática, não?
É, tens que praticar.
Então, vamos fazer tudo junto. Now let's try to do everything together. Really slowly. Together. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And we do a crossbody in the end. Beautiful.
Perfect.
You like it?
Yes.
Me too. And as I promised, I give you 2 more variations with countings. If you would like with explanation, just write into the comment and we're going to explain it next time. With Rita, Andrade, de Portugal, Lisboa.
Uhul.
Lisboa, cheira bem? Não, não era.
Cheira bem, cheira Lisboa.
Próxima vez. Então,
His Portuguese will be better next time.
5, 6, 7, com cross. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And from here on, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. E cross body. Direção. Param, pam, pam. And now, variation number 3. Vamos também fazer com cross, né? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And a 1. So guys, now we're gonna do everything together with music, with the variations, and we are done for today. I hope you like it. I hope you like it with Rita, or you can call it also Ritinha normalmente.
Yes.
Sim.
My friends call me Rita.
Sim. And vamos.
Let's go.
Para tu corazón hice una casa, la he diseñado pensando en ti. Está llena de luz y en sus rincones flores en versos, nace un jardín. Para tu corazón
we want to go to the left, look, suck, okay? And I release, no, I don't release. I release that arm. No, I don't release. No, this was the other move. Okay, so and from here I release that arm, my left arm, and then this is all bullshit. Fuck.